You just want to step up and prove to your boss you've got what it takes to win.
This is the first recorded battle in the story of mankind.
His Majesty issued forth at the head of his army, in a chariot of fine gold adorned with the instruments of war.
In the Bible, Megiddo will give its name to Armageddon. The Egyptian chariot, with a top speed of 25 miles per hour,
The chariot is more like a helicopter gunship. The chariot archer is the warrior here. They ride in, shooting as they go in. It would be unnerving, it would be chaotic over an area of miles, this great dust cloud of confusion. That alone must have struck terror into the enemy standing there.
the age of mass warfare has begun.